The beer alarm clock pours a fresh beer for you automatically every time you wake up. Don't do it the old-fashioned way.
Oh, no. Man, I can't believe I have to pour this again. Man, every time I wake up in the morning, I keep having to pour myself a beer. There's got to be a better way. Hi, I'm Phil from Beer Goals, and our beer goal today is to make a beer alarm clock. If you're like me after a long night of drinking beer, you don't want to get out of bed in the morning. But now, thanks to the Engine Beers, we've created a beer alarm clock, and you can hop right out of bed. Look at it, it fills right up with beer. Thanks, Marshall. Cheers.
Oh, yeah, of course.